Symptom.
It's Planmas Day 4. Hey, what's up, besties? Thank you once again for joining another one of my Planmas videos. I am so enjoying this. And so today's day 4, so let's go ahead and jump into it with our Simply Gilded Advent Calendar. Here we go. Let's see. Now, this is just clear, and it doesn't feel like any washi or anything, so I don't know what that is. And I'm tearing up these stickers. Oh, well. Let's go in. Oh, my gosh. It's a magnet. Like, hold on. Is it a magnet? Yes, it's a magnet. It's a magnet. But it's like you can put like a pen on the back of there. I'm definitely going to try to make this into a pen. This is so gorgeous. Do you see this? Like, are y'all seeing what do you see what I see? This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, I'm here for it. All right, so today's video, we're going to go ahead and get into what, of course, are Plan With Me. So we need to plan. We need to get ourselves together. I've got my coffee here, and we're going to be using a kit called Planmas. How great is that? And this is from PrintPetticoatBandit. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned. All right, you guys, so here is the kit that I'm using. This is Planmas, and I'm in love with these colors, especially because I want to use these countdown stickers that I have from the Coffee Monsters Co. And it matches this kit perfectly, like totally not planned, but this is so awesome that it matches. So yeah, this is the foil version. She has a non-foil version available as well. When you buy the files from her, they come in either one, so you can just pick which one you want to download. And I do have a foil video coming up as well, so if you guys are interested in foiling, then make sure you stay tuned, because you're going to want to see that, because I have a cheap alternative for you to learn how to foil. All right, so here we go. This is the kit. These are the full boxes. I love these. So stinking cute. And then this is our washi strips, and then some just little washi, another full box down here, a tracker. Your tracker's over there on the side. And then this one I foiled in gold instead of that pink color. And this is just the scripts and the bow, what are these called? Bow lists or whatever that you want to call them. And then we have our icons here. These are foiled in gold. Oh, and the day covers. I'm in love. Oh, I'm in love with this. Okay. And then here are some more like deco icons, and then some washi strips down here, and I just love it. And then our boxes and our half boxes, quarter boxes, and then we have the ones I don't use, the full box checklist, whatever. That was just, you know, because you guys know how I am about those. And then here are the like glitter washi headers and different little headers, scripts, some scallop headers right there. And then she also gives you some more of the like full boxes with the girls in it. And then look at all of this deco that you get. I'm here for it. This is so super cute. This is one of her new formatted ones, so there's more deco in here than there usually had been before. So I'm excited about that. And then she gives you several different skin tones of the girls in there, and then another full box. Look at that. Like, you're getting so much with this kit. And then you have your little girls, like your little bandit girls or whatever you want to call them, and they come in the different skin tones. So here there's 3 different skin tones on this one, and then 3 different ones on this one to choose from. And it has your work and bill due, payday stickers over here, and I finally get to use some flight stickers. I'm so excited. I don't know why. I'm just like super excited about everything this week. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this Plan With Me.
All right, you guys. So before I even get started, like, I want to make sure I say that I do not own any rights to any of the songs you may hear in this video. I just wanted to go ahead and preface that. So just in case I get to singing or whatever, because it's Planmas and I'm in the Planmas spirit, I just want to make sure that I am giving you guys, you know, that little spirit while you're watching. So anyways, I put down my Simply Gilded washi, which you guys know I love, and this is like some floral kind. It's really cute. At that time, my whiteout decided like it was about to give out on me, and I have no idea why. Well, I mean, I guess I do because I use it. So yeah, now I was just trying to figure out how I was going to do the bottom washi. So I went ahead and put that kind of like I cut it and then framed it. Like I just cut the longer strip and used that for both sides is what I was trying to say. So anyways, my favorite Christmas song would be this song is called It's Christmas Time by Christina Aguilera. First of all, I love her whole album, like in its entirety. It's amazing. Like it was one of the ones my dad bought me as I started to like get into my own music, because we always listen to like the Temptations and the Jackson 5, and actually I still have my Motown Christmas album that my dad bought me for my collection. I still have it and I absolutely love it. But one of the ones that he bought me was Destiny's Child, Christina Aguilera, and then A Platinum Christmas. And so if you're into kind of like the R&B pop style of like the early 2000s, these albums will get you there for Christmas time and make you feel really good. So anyways, of course, you know, I love Mariah Carey's song that she does and she butchered up last year. That was hilarious. But Mariah Carey is one of my favorite artists, so I won't go in on her. But this Christina Aguilera album will take you there. She does the rendition of Oh Holy Night like no other, that like, oh my gosh, her voice is just amazing. Anyway, so It's Christmas Time is one of my favorite songs. And then like I said, Oh Holy Night. What's the song? Oh, it's the song that Ray Charles did. Oh, I'm trying to think of it. Why can't I think right now? Just because I'm trying to tell you guys what my favorite song is. Anyways, if I think of it, I'll start singing it towards the end. But okay, back to what we were planning. As you can see, I've made it very, very far. I stuck down the date covers and the full boxes where I thought they should go. I really like this kit, but again, I wanted to save some of the kit to use in my TN. And I already am a functional planner, so it's not like I go overboard on stickers anyways. But I did think strategically as I was placing things down, just to make sure that I wasn't using everything that could be used in my TN. And y'all, when y'all see that TN spread, y'all finna be like, girl, you is doing it. You is doing it. So yeah, I'm like super duper excited. Okay, so moving on, let's go to, I was thinking about my favorite like holiday food, and it would be, let's see. My mom makes sweet potato pie like for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, and it is amazing. Like that is something I live for, is a sweet potato pie. If you want to find out why my weight gain is so strong during the holiday season, it's not because I'm eating all of the soul food or soulful things. It's because I've ate all the pie. Not all the pies, all the pie. If somebody makes a sweet potato pie, I am that cousin that will come over. My auntie makes me one down here because they have the same recipe. And she puts one up for me and I take the whole pie. That's me. Yes, I take the whole entire pie. And I eat it in sections. I eat it for breakfast. Then I'll turn around. I'll eat some for lunch. I'll eat a little bit as a snack. And then I'll eat some for dinner. And maybe a late night snack as well. But that pie doesn't last very long. And it was so funny. Babe was like, so you gonna share? And I'm like, nah, I'm good. I'm good, bro. I'm good. So on the screen, you see me laying down those stickers. I am going to RVA this weekend, and I'm so excited that I get a chance to meet with Chiquisha, and of course I get to meet up with Shay again and just some of the other ladies in the RVA area. I think this is going to be awesome. I'm doing something I've never done before, and that's flying out during the holiday season. So y'all pray for me because my anxiety is a little high. I know that things happen, especially during the holiday times, where, you know, flights get canceled and stuff like that. So we just gonna say a good long prayer that all is well, weather holds up, and that the plane makes it to and from, and that I'm not missing anything during the Christmas time. What is that song? Y'all, I'm still stuck. Y'all know I'm finna pull it up on my iTunes because I need to figure out what this song is, and it is on my head, and I really wanted to give y'all a little taste of it before I got off of here. But I think Christina Aguilera's album was called what was it called? Xmas. And I didn't like that she called it Xmas. It was like something about it that I just wasn't feeling. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, oh, it was My Kind of Christmas, but she had a song called Xmas on there. The song was Merry Christmas Baby. That's what I was trying to think of. I said Ray Charles, right? But anyway, she belts it out. She's like, Merry Christmas Baby, hey, you sure did treat me nice. Oh.
I haven't had a drink this morning, but I'm lit up like a Christmas tree. That is my jam. Oh my gosh, I'm about to listen to it as soon as I get in the car. Like, I love Christmas music. But you know you can't have a Christmas, like, holiday time without the Temptations. If you don't hear In My Mind, come on, you have not lived. So if your parents didn't let you listen to the Temptations, you don't know what you're missing. And if your grandparents didn't let you listen, like, I need you to go ahead, go and download or go listen to it on YouTube and find the Temptations Silent Night, because that is a classic song that everybody should have in their repertoire. Like, I just think you should have it, and it should be one of the first songs played. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna push you into something that I wouldn't push myself into, but you definitely need to hear this song because it's gonna take you in. All you remember is ooh, ooh, and then he hit that silent night. Yes! Oh, I'm over here getting excited. I'm so crunk. And I miss my parents during this time. So, y'all, like, y'all have to excuse me. Like, I'm a big kid, but I really do miss my parents. And they're still alive. It's just the fact that we don't get to spend every Christmas together. And I'm so happy for the memories and things that I do have with them. So, I'm going to stop talking because I done got all kinds of emotional. Like, for real. About to cry. Big baby. Alright, you guys, so here is my completed spread. I'm just doing a little wiggle so you can see. It's kind of all over the place, but I like it. Like, I don't know about y'all. Like, I love this little deco and stuff. I probably could have moved some of this over here and changed that up, but I didn't feel like pulling up any more stickers, and it leaves me room. This is the thing I love about the horizontal. It leaves me room if I need to add any more plans in, like, throughout the week. Like, because I haven't filled up everything, I still have space to write something here, have space to write things here, and then my goals and stuff will go down here, and then whatever I decide that I'm going to track, all of that will be down there. So I really, really, really love this horizontal planner. I'm going to take my leftover stickers. Let me just show you what I have here. I have, wait, there's some other stuff in there. Okay, so I have all of these stickers left over, and I'm going to take them and use them in my traveler's notebook. So I don't know if I'm gonna record it, but I don't know if I'll like actually post it or not. You may just see like a clip of it on Instagram, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and plan in my TN and see how it would be to plan in my TN, because you might be seeing some more of those. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I think this might be the last one. You may get another one, but in case you don't, happy holidays, Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, if you celebrate Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. I'm saying happy to you and merry to you, whatever that is. Thank you so, so much again for following me and watching me. And make sure you guys stay tuned to Shay's video that she posts today, because you're going to want to get that mystery word from her video. Thank you guys so much. And I will catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye.